Guys, kung akala ninyo na puro pulutan at finger foods lang ang sineserve dito, think again. Tara, discover ninyo with us ang Qri Resto Bar. So guys, dito kami nag-dinner and grabe, ang ganda ng setup. Nasa rooftop siya and just imagine, live band tumutugtog, party vibes, tapos may legit restaurant-grade food pa. Hindi lang finger food o pulutan ha, they serve local and international dishes na sobrang nakakagulat sa quality. We tried their steaks, kapampangan sisig, authentic kapampangan talaga ha, and pasta, mozzarella sticks, salad, quesadillas, and chicken tenders. Grabe, nabusog talaga kami. Yung sisig and steak, it's a chef's kiss. The dining area is spacious pero cozy pa rin. May bar area for cocktails and other drinks. Tapos yung crowd, super fun. Perfect for sound trip and party vibes with your barkada. And yung staff, super friendly and attentive. Heto nga, nandito sila sa 5th floor ng Top G building along Fil-Am Friendship Highway sa Cauayan, Angeles City. Easy to find lang. And meron silang parking so hassle-free. Whether post-workout hangout, barkada banding, or gusto nyo lang na good food with live music, Qri Resto Bar is the spot. Mga kabalen, ready na ba kayong umakyat sa 5th floor? See you sa Qri Resto Bar.